Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a display stand when you're in a hurry for your earrings. You're going to need some sort of box. I have this box. It's stiff, you know, super thin. It's a good box to use. Hopefully you have a box on hand, but you don't have time to like get out and go to the dollar store, Dollar Tree, or a store, or even order one online. You can make one super simple and super easy. Cardboard box. You want to cut one of these off. This is the first thing you're gonna do. You can use scissors, you can use like a box cutter. Then cut this piece. So you want them two of the same shape. Same over here. Perfect. Now you're going to take these off. So all you're going to have is just this. Same on this side. I'm gonna fast forward because nobody wants to sit and watch me do this whole thing. Make sure it's even. If it's not even, cut it off and make it even. Don't move on me. Now that we have our cardboards cut, with one of the cardboards, you're going to take that and we're gonna draw, so you're gonna need a pencil. Okay. Put your other one aside for now. You're gonna go 3/4 of the way over. Draw a line down to this corner. Use the other piece of cardboard to measure that. You can. That's up to you. Yeah, a little less than half. Okay. Draw. Down to the corner. Draw a dotted line. This, of course, is where a fold is going to be. Then we're going to skip a space right here. If you can see how I'm doing, I did dotted line, skip about right here, dotted line again. And so that's what we have so far. We're going to put a line like so, and you're going to go around here like this. Make a line like that. Go like this, so it looks kind of like you have a nose the rest of the way down to that dotted line. The next step is to cut this. Need a X-Acto knife. If I can find my X-Acto knife. Pause something underneath so that you don't cut your workspace unless you don't care, in which case, oh well. Cut where this is, but not the dotted line, okay? So anything solid line, cut. Doesn't feel like I'm getting it all the way in. And then stop when you get to there. But you still want to make sure, you know, you get it all the way cut through. Now you want to pop that out. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there we go. Just make sure that you can pop that part out. You don't want that part to not. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And you want to make sure this is cut. This is broken too. See that? Now all that is cut and can pop up. See it? All right, you want to fold this, but you know what? Cardboard sometimes doesn't fold like you want it to, so a very light score would probably be good. I know I said we weren't going to cut it. Don't want it to go all the way through, but you do want it to bend. Draw a line, which I forgot to do, from the bottom of what I call the nose, so a dotted line. You're going to score that too. Don't do it hard. Remember, you want it very lightly. We're going to fold it. Fold. Glue this onto the back of the other second piece of cardboard that we did in the middle. And then I'm gonna use this glue. I could use hot glue, but I'm not getting it out right now. It takes forever to heat up. There we go. There we go. Make sure when you do this, it is even with the bottom of your other cardboard. Push and fold. Now that you got that folded, you're gonna take this piece right here and the part that we scored, you're going to, oh, did I do this wrong? I'm gonna push it, not push it, sorry. You're gonna take it like this, and push it out like that, and you're gonna fold it down. Personally, I think maybe I would like it if it was a little more, maybe if it was a little more back, you know? Like back. Yeah. I would like it better if it was back. But I mean, it still works. It's doing the trick. One of my favorite tools, I have this tool. It's vintage. I love the way it looks. Got the metal on the bottom. It's called an awl. And it's basically just a hole puncher and digger outer, whatever. So all I'm gonna do is just take that awl and I'm gonna push it in here. Now they have thicker ones. This one's thin. I do have a thicker one somewhere. I just don't know where it's at right now. But yeah, just start poking your holes. Make sure you don't poke yourself because that would hurt. But yeah, just holes wherever you want them. Try to line them up if you can. You know, just poke them through. With the lines of the cardboard, it's kind of easy to see where you need to, you know, keep it in line. Now, let's put our earrings on it. Now, if you want your buttons, then you're going to have to put those down here. Oops. Try, but I don't think they will. If a wind comes around, it's definitely gonna maybe blow it. I would suggest you to maybe put a weight on the back of it. Any kind of weight, like you could glue something to it, like if you had a bolt. Put those there, those aren't gonna work. But you always wanna make sure you have all of your earrings secure on this, or otherwise, not gonna be good. After I did this, I realized that I forgot a step. And I have to cut just a little bit of this off. The more of an angle you give, the more of an angle it's gonna do. Does that make sense? Like leaning back. If you want to lean back, you don't want it to be straight. So that was my problem. So if I don't like the lean, you can just go back and fix it again. And then there you go. Once you've cut it to the angle that you want, how far you want it to lean back, it does just fine. See? And then I think I'm gonna decorate just a little bit, and I'm gonna use some Posca pins to decorate to make it look a little cuter. And I already have these on, so I'm just gonna leave them on there. Now let's add all of our earrings to it again. My fellow peeps, is how you make a display when you have nothing but some cardboard, markers, and some glue. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more art-related content. Also DIYs, vendor stuff. Until next time, see you later.